Alright boys, just made it over the border. We're gonna go see whoever the fuck, Quentyn and JD. I think it stands for just dick or something like that.
Oh, no doubt.
Yeah.
Fucking Moreskids?
Yeah, we're about 20 minutes away.
Yeah, no doubt.
We're gonna go fuck shit up, man.
I'm gonna go piss on the fucking R32, man.
No doubt.
I'm gonna shit on his windshield.
Yeah, but anyways, for real, we're gonna go see Moreskids. We're gonna hang out for the day, film a couple videos.
Yeah, we're shitting ourselves at the border, man.
Yeah, we got pulled over at the border.
Search the vehicle. We're in the fucking Pajero because the clutch went on the FC and the 180 hasn't passed the inspection yet. So we're in Aska's Pajero. The trusty steed, man.
Next clip will be there.
Okay. What's up, mother cuckers? We're here with Quentyn and JD, Just Dick, from Moreskids or whatever the channel is. Yeah. Quentyn is going to talk a little about his R32 here. It's on some big wheels because he's compensating for these small things.
Yeah, these guys are more bummed about the fact that they're big, other than the fact that they're not real. So that kind of warms my heart a little bit.
Oh, fucking double whammy.
Oh shit, eh?
Fuck. That's like when you get a double
Maybe it
double
cancels
at Tim's.
out though, you know?
No, it doesn't,
Oh,
man.
maybe they didn't even know they were.
It's a double negative. No, those are definitely
Bad
not
plus
viscous.
Alright, so yeah.
Ass viscous.
This is my R32. This is our shop, also.
Yeah, we're here.
We just recently got this. Pretty dope. He was asking me to do a little walk around on the R32, so yeah. It's a 4-door, 1990. Started out in Japan, obviously. Went to Canada. Has a BC VIN, actually, which is kind of interesting. Apparently, it was the first 4-door ever imported to Canada. Yeah, I guess this website shop thing was like OG importer dudes. But yeah, I traded my JZ S13 and some cash for this car, and I've only had it for like less than a month now, but it's been a blast. It's got the stock RB20. I'll pop the hood. She was overheating a little bit on the way here. I think there was like a coolant leak or something going on somewhere because we dumped a bunch of coolant into it. But yeah, it's got a HKS blow-off valve, and I think that's the only thing done to the motor. And then we got these wheels. I don't got to talk about those really.
Fucking trash, man.
Fuck, man.
Disrespect.
Stock interior, pretty much, except for the bucket seat. And then these rear seats actually caught on fire at a drift event before I owned the car. So there wasn't any back seats, but now it has S14 back seats in it. From DJ's brother. They just kind of sit in here though.
For the safeties?
Yeah. Also, this was a product of the fire as well. There's a harness bar for the bucket seat, and these fenders are actually super sick because like you don't see R32s with molded fenders much because you got to deal with the door, which just makes it a big pain. They look actually really sick.
Well, the whole thing looks sick.
Yeah, the front fenders are also like welded on molded fenders as well, so that's cool. The kit is like a no-name kit. He didn't know what it was, so I don't know what it is. I think this is like some eBay wing also. I'm not a huge fan of this wing, but like whatever they use to put this on is like insane. I can't get it off, so unless I want to pull the whole window out, I guess.
Is that like spray foam or something? What is that?
It's like some insane like industrial caulking, just rock solid. But yeah, I've always wanted a 4-door R32. If people have been watching our channel for a long time, they would know that I've always been like into these cars. It's like specifically the 4-doors because I just think they're so much sicker. Before I even bought my 8.6, I was like saving up, in the process of saving up for one of these cars, but then the 8.6 popped up and I bought that instead. So it's kind of come full circle, and I'm actually super hyped about how everything went and how everything ended up. So yeah, it's been a blast, and I'm super excited to drift it for the first time because I've been like, I set up my sim rig with the shifter on the left hand side and the e-brake on the left hand side just so I can try to get used to it a little bit because I'm still getting used to like driving on the right hand side, obviously, but everything's gone pretty smooth so far. So yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's the skyline.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
What do you think, buddy?
Man.
Yeah, what's going on with this cardboard, man?
Oh, that man. The bisques.
Yeah, and
bisques.
When are the watts coming?
So yeah, you guys trying to source me some of those puppies?
Yeah, no doubt, man.
We could get around that.
Yeah, the plan for these are like drift spares. That's what these are for. The plan is to buy some 16-inch, probably 9.5, I think, and then 10.5 in the rear maybe. They have like 16 by 10.5 negative 13 Watanabes that I'm trying to get, and that will like complete the car, I think.
Yeah.
And it will dump it, so that's gonna be insane and like impossible to drive around here, but it'll be all right. I'll figure it out.
Make a skid plate.
Yeah, honestly. I backed into like a couple boxes at our house, and the bumper popped off. There's like the hole that the screw goes into got bigger because it like ripped the fiberglass apart. Yeah. And I didn't have a washer at my house, so I used this piece of cardboard, and it worked out all right.
Any thoughts?
Piece of shit.
Trash?
Yeah, my Civic's faster.
Garbage. I'm fucking race, bro. Well, you guys gotta try moose milk, so.
I still don't know what that is. Is that
honestly,
like
neither do I. I don't know what it is.
Well, that's one of the ingredients. It gets mixed in real nice. Didn't even notice it, man.
Is moose milk like one of those things where it's like it's not a thing, it's like an idea, you know?
Yeah, it's like
do you have moose milk in the Pajero?
We have nothing in the Pajero.
Okay.
We just had the ketchup chips.
Could that be in moose milk?
Moose milk, you leave it to your imagination.
Yeah.
You want ketchup chips in
all
there?
you gotta do is believe.
Yeah, no doubt. If you want it in there, you just put it in there.
Yeah, that's my life motto.
What makes it?
There you go.
Just the fact that you call it moose milk?
Well, the eggnog is like the base.
Yeah, there's like some
So
ingredients
that's the
you
moose.
have to have.
Is it a Christmas thing?
It's just whenever you're feeling moosey, I don't know. you can drink it.
How often does the average Canadian feel moosey?
At least once a day.
At least once a day. Normally you wake up. You guys probably have morning wood down here.
Yeah.
We have morning moose, man. You just feel it. Yeah.
Your antler comes out?
Yeah. The moose comes out.
The antlers.
For a little peek.
Oh, how's it going? You say to it, and it fucking goes right back. You're down to an inch again. You're like, oh shit. We came for the Popeyes mainly though. Heard people are fucking killing each other for this chicken sandwich. So
yeah, we're gonna take the boys over
run down there.
Yeah, we'll see if we can fucking kill someone over this sandwich.
Also, we're doing a little collab on a merch product, right?
Yeah, no doubt.
So you guys wanna drop that right now in your video?
Should we do that?
Yeah, we
I think so.
it.
All right.
What, no skid?
Where is
what is this? This isn't Moist Boys. We've corrupted you.
This is Foreskins. This is Moist just skins. Moist. That's too difficult. Never mind.
Foreskids.
Because
there's four of us.
Oh, yeah. I was thinking Moist Kids.
Moist
is that
Kids.
legal?
No. It's like moose milk, man. It's right on the border.
Or Moist Kids.
Moist Kids.
Right on.
Show them what we got cooking up.
Show them the fucking Foreskins.
Do we have them? Did we leave all at the house?
They're all in the shop. It's going, man.
Kind of like Julie naked.
Too bad, buddy. Oh, dude, we could put a jewel skin on this.
You could.
That's a good idea.
DJ.
What?
These are perfect for jewel
This
skin.
one's even. Oh my god, this might be.
Is a fucking jewel.
They just cut up.
Oh my
god! What the fuck? They just cut up some jewels. Oh, this is Jewel Light. Low nicotine.
Jewel Light.
It's like a light beer.
All right.
Sorry.
So you got your foreskin.
Party.
Soak it. Extract it. All right. Got your 3M because it's good quality.
Have you done this before?
I've never applicated.
Oh shit.
First time applicator.
I'm kind of worried. I'm a little nervous. I'm fucking scared.
You're the rap god.
Fuck up, man.
Punch it.
I'm getting shaky, man.
Place it. Come on. Just drop it down.
Oh.
Money.
Ooh. Oh. Because it's like rolling the grit, you know?
Yeah.
Get the edge going here.
Like gripping a board.
No doubt.
High quality.
Look at
That fit perfect.
Oh shit.
Tampons ain't got nothing on this application.
Look at that.
Oh my god, it's
Is that
actually
matte
amazing.
finish?
Damn,
or
that
whatever?
is sick.
That thing looks
finish?
fast.
That adds about 40 neck right there.
Yeah.
Let me take a
We can
rip.
OD on that.
Is that a lot or not a lot?
Like nothing.
How's it taste with the wrap?
No!
It tastes better with the
Tastes way
wrap.
faster.
Better with the wrap, right?
Yeah, way better than with wrap. I'd say
69 Nick?
Yeah, right about that.
Yeah. Definitely get you going.
Yeah, you can buy the low nicotine pods, and this will up that percentage.
Oh, yeah. It's just the one you see.
And that's just save money right there. Yeah.
How much are these Johnnies for sale?
Certified bigger clouds with these wraps.
I think you guys should pick up some coolant.
No, you're supposed to overheat it every once in a while to get all that rust out.
Yeah, there's so much rust in there. So
we're gonna head over to Popeyes, get some chicken sandwiches, and probably pick this guy up a new belt.
Maybe some coolant. I'm gonna drain the coolant.
Maybe some coolant? You're gonna just dump her?
Yeah, that's fun. I'll probably use that drain pan I got back there.
So if I put my camera inside your camera,
Dude,
then what happens there?
I don't even know, man. I can't even comprehend what happens.
That's how cameras are born.
True. That's a nice crew neck, man.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I don't like that.
It was smoking.
Just talking to you?
Yeah, it was talking.
Alternators will do that to you.
No, you're all good. I'm gonna fuck with you.
Cut all of our dicks off.
Fuck.
Cut my clit off.
Circed. Can you imagine circing a clit?
Speak, man.
With some fucking toenail clippers?
Like Middle East and shit.
What's the game plan?
We're going to Popeyes, stab someone over a spicy chicken sandwich.
Boys in the back, right on.
Ready to
We're here for the
stab.
stabbing.
Yeah, fuck.
Everywhere I
Call
go.
the stabbing wagon.
Everywhere
Yeah.
I go, I'm there for the stabbing.
Honestly, yeah, in America, apparently that's... Do I go
Take
right
it
here?
Straight, take it straight.
And that'll
Okay.
lift it onto this right here.
Onto the freeway?
Yeah.
Yeah, apparently in America you stab people over chicken sandwiches.
Yeah, that's if you're feeling like if you left your gun at home.
Oh yeah, and you gotta get the...
Yeah, usually people just shoot each other, but
Fuck. Imagine Canada if people were fucking stabbing each other over double
people are
doubles.
resorting to stabbing.
This is fully floored
Very sad.
right now. This bitch is cranking up. Sounds like we're taking off on a fucking biplane.
After one.
Higher than I thought I could.
Right, man.
My internal organs. Oh, my wrist. Oh. Alright, boys. We have some fucking spicy chicken sandwiches. No one got stabbed in the fucking Popeyes. Maybe it was a bad day, I don't know. The cheeky sandwiches, I get why you'd stab someone over. It's pretty fucking nice. The pickle and the Sammy just makes it so much better. But yeah, here we are in our modal. Washington here, in the U.S. It's pretty fucking sketch.
Yeah, there's like some practice going on outside.
There's some fucking crickets outside.
Any words?
Yeah, any words.
We didn't really film much today, we were just kind of fucking around, but...
Yeah, we're kind of just chilling with the boys. We're gonna go back to their house really soon. So yeah, that's it for that video. But there's
Finally made it happen, eh? Boys came out.
Yeah, boys
We got the
fucking
collab going.
finally met up with Moreskids.
So we'll probably post this video tomorrow, which will be Sunday. They were filming a video with us as well. That'll probably go up, I'm assuming, next week.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good to meet JD and Quentyn. Yeah. Obviously, if you want to fucking collabo Jewel Skin, you know what to do. www.moistboys.co.
Yeah.
Shit's fucking 3M.
We'll probably be
It's the
putting these up either when this video goes up or a couple days after.
best. Yeah. Put them up on the Cytical. We also have our new... Actually, should we wait for our new drop?
I think we should do it all at once.
Okay, yeah, we'll probably wait for our new drop and we'll go up on the website with the new stuff. I don't know when we're dropping our new clothes.
Next week, I think.
Next week. Okay, so they might go up next week. Yeah. Quentyn and DJ, great guys.
Yeah,
JD.
super great guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting the boys come into your house. And
Yeah, thanks for chilling with the boys.
Yeah, no doubt.
It's crazy when such big time guys hanging with us. Such small time guys, you know?
Just some fucking stupid ass Canadian idiots, you know?
Just some dudes.
Some dense fucks. Any words?
Yeah. So yeah, fucking subscribe. Comment if you would stab someone over the fucking Popeyes chicky sandwich. If you haven't had a Popeyes chicky sandwich, what's your favorite chicky sandwich? What's your favorite go-to fast food item? Comment it below. We'll check it out. We'll see what you like. There's probably some sick fucks there that like some fucked up shit. I don't know, some bum ass fast food.
Yeah, no doubt. Alright.
Like if you like Dairy Queen fries, you're fucked up.
Yeah, big times. Alright, we're gonna edit this video, get ready to go out, then we're gonna come back, go to sleep, hopefully we wake up alive, and yeah, catch you in the next one, boys. Fucking skidoo, eh?